Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make multiple drop shadow animation like this in Canva. So let's start with it, and you will be needing YouTube thumbnail, and for this example I am using this. So first you need to choose an image, and you can use your own image, but I am using a businessman cutout image. And let's see if anything is in free section or not. So this one, as I can find it, is in free to use section. So I am using this so that if you don't have a Canva Pro uh, subscription, still you can use it. So I need to duplicate it first and click on edit photo. So after coming to edit photo section, we'll need to come to duotone section here. Okay, so click on it. So after clicking it, I will use any of the shades here. You can use according to your requirement, but if you understand the process is the main thing. You can use the color as per your requirement. Okay, so first I am using this violet color, and the highlights I will keep the same, and make sure you are keeping the highlight and shadows to the same color to make this effect. Okay, so for shadows you need to paste the same code, and as you can see this drop shadow is done. So let's do for the other two. Click on edit photo, click on duotone, and now I will use the sea green color. Okay, so this is the color shade. I will copy it and I will paste in the shadows. So the second one is ready. Let's do for the third one. Click on edit photo, scroll down to duotone, and this time I will use pomelo shape. Okay, so let's copy the highlights code and paste it on the shadows. Okay, now this is done. Now I will go to, just click on any of this and then right click and click on layers, show layer. Okay, so I will just bring this one to the top, then this one again lower to the purple layer or the violet layer, and this pomelo to the bottom. So this one is arranged. Now let's bring it here. After doing that, let's click Ctrl A or select all here, and after that I will be needing to align it. So for this I will be needing to tidy up, or you can do this horizontally so that the element becomes equivalent or equidistant. Okay, so after this is done, let's bring to the edge here, and now let's select all again and go to animate. Okay, so you can either do photo animations or page animations, but for me, as I find it, the page animation you need to use, either you need to use the drift animation or you need to use the tectonic animation. So you can use either of them. So after selecting drift, you can work on the intensity, which is the speed mainly. The intensity is nothing else but the speed. So I can work on it and I will keep it that way, and I want the direction to move from left to right, so I am using it in this way. So hope you like this tutorial, and if you want to learn more tutorials like this, please subscribe to the channel.